Hello, my little friends. Today I am going to tell you a Jack missing shoes story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack. Jack was 7 years old and he was super excited to go to school after the holiday. Do you know why he was so excited? It's because he had a pair of brand new super shiny black shoes. His old shoes were all torn and worn out. It is a sunny day and take Jack happily walked to school. His new shoes sparkled in the sunlight. When he got to the school gate, he noticed all the other boys in black shoes too, but he did not matter to Jack. Even though they all looked similar, his shoes were the best for him. The day went by quickly, and it was soon time for the library. Everyone had to take off their shoes before going in. Jakes carefully removed his new shoes and put them with everyone else. When the librarian said it was time to leave, Jack and his friend excited to library and everyone started to tie their shoes and go. Oh no, Jack! Heart sank because he could not find his shiny new black shoes. He looked and looked, but they were gone. His classmate could not find them either. It was like they had disappeared. Jack was so sad and confused. Why could someone take his shoe when they all looked the same? Jack told the teacher what happened and she promised to help. The rest of the day was a bit for a blur for a Jack. He had to wear old shoes from the lost and found, which made him even more upset. And all he could think about were his special new shoes, lost amazing all the other black shoes. When shoes ended, Jack went home with a heavy heart. He hoped that someone would find and return his shoes, but he felt very disappointed and hurt. As day went by, Jack kept wearing the spare shoes, but he could not forget about his missing shoes. He felt a little sad whenever he looked at his feet. One bright morning, something amazing happened. Jack teacher come to his classroom with a big smile. She asked Jack to come with her to the school front office. Jack was curious and excited, so he followed her. When they go to the office, Jack's eyes opened with a surprise. They on the counter was a beautiful wrapped box with a note that said to Jack from a friend. Jack's hands were extremely with excitement as he opened the box. What do you think he found inside? It was his shiny black shoes. He could not believe it. His missing shoes were black. Jack felt so happy and thankful that someone had been kind enough to return his special shoes. Jack never find out who this secret friend was, but that did not matter. This experience taught is about kindness, bring caring, and how even in a world where thinking might seem the same, there always room for act for kindness that can note a big difference. From the day on the wore his shoes with extra pride, knowing the kindness can bring joy and surprise when you least expect it. थैंक यू। कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये कहानी? फिर मिलते हैं एक नई कहानी के साथ। ओके, बाय बाय।